We decided to unite because we simply love to paint. But it was difficult to realize that two people with the same passion may be so different.
Each of our ideas, or even everyday thoughts about life, has always been at different poles of understanding.
It's easy to understand without words if to see our artworks.
However, we met every day and tried to talk a lot, because we really wanted to understand each other. And in the end, only through the walls, we finally found a common language.
We wrote, painted, and wrote again, and finally we became one piece with the motorcycle. Sometimes it was difficult for us to stay home, and after some time we felt enough strength to withstand the entire mystic of Java as a one goal.
It was just an abstract idea with which we both agreed. Ride the circle all around Java, every day a new city, new artwork, and new people.
This was the beginning of our first really great trip.